Welcome to the Finances Money Matters, the podcast where we talk about all things related to finance and investment. Today, we shall continue with the Episode 3. For the financial tips, number 5, create a diverse portfolio of investments. Investing is one of the best ways to grow your money and achieve your long-term financial goals. However, investing also involves risk, which means you can lose money as well as gain it. To reduce your risk and increase your returns, you need to diversify your portfolio, which means spreading your money across different types of investments such as stocks, bonds, funds, real estate, and commodities. By diversifying your portfolio, you can benefit from the performance of different sectors, markets, and asset classes, and avoid putting all your eggs in one basket. Number 6, make smart investments, a beginner's guide. If you are new to investing, you might feel overwhelmed by the choices and jargon involved. However, investing is not as complicated as it seems, and you can start with a few simple steps. First, you need to open an investment account, such as a brokerage account, where you can buy and sell stocks, bonds, and other assets. Second, you need to decide how much to invest based on your income, expenses, goals, and risk tolerance. Third, you need to pick an investment strategy, such as passive investing, active investing, or robo-advising, depending on your level of involvement, knowledge, and fees. Fourth, you need to understand your investment options, such as individual stocks, index funds, exchange-traded funds, mutual funds, and bonds, and how they differ in terms of risk, return, and cost. Fifth, you need to monitor your portfolio, review your performance, and rebalance your allocation as needed. Lastly, number 7, learn from the experts. One of the best ways to improve your financial literacy and skills is to learn from the experts, such as financial advisors, authors, bloggers, podcasters, and influencers. You can find a wealth of information and advice on various topics, such as budgeting, saving, investing, debt, retirement, and more. You can also get inspired by the stories and experiences of other people who have achieved financial success. Thank you for listening to the Finances Money Matters, and we hope you learned something valuable today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to our podcast, leave us a review, and share it with your friends. See you in the next episode.